Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's discussion, we will learn about phoneme isolation. But before we begin, let us first define what is phoneme isolation. Phoneme isolation is a strategy that helps develop students' phonemic awareness, which is part of phonological awareness. It involves having students identify specific phonemes in words like the first, middle, and last sound. Now, let us have a simple activity with the student. Okay, so I have here my student, my sister. Okay, let us now begin with the activity. So, can you read this word?
Bat.
What?
Bat.
Bat. How many sounds do you think this word has?
1.
You sure?
Yes.
No, this word has 3 sounds. The first sound is B. Say, the sound of B is B. Louder please. B. Then the second sound is A. A. So when you read this B and A, what is the sound you form? B. Okay, the last sound is T. T. So read this with B, A, T. But. Okay, again, please. But. How many sounds does this word has? 3 sounds. Okay, next word we have food. How many sounds does this word has?
4.
4? This has 3 sounds as well. The first sound is F. The sound of F. Say F. Okay, the next sound is U. U. Then the last sound is D. D. Food. Louder, please. Food. Food. What is the first sound? Can you point to the first sound? What is the first sound? Point the letter of the first sound. What about the last word? I mean the last sound. The letter D, which has the sound D. D. Okay, next word is we have what word?
Book.
Louder please.
Book.
Book. How many sounds does this word has?
3.
3. Very good. You now has the grasp of it. The first sound is B. Then the second sound is what? U. The third sound is K. K. Okay, let's read this by its sound. Book. Book. What is the middle sound? What? What? Can you point it? The sound of the 2 O's. How about the first sound? What? Can you point it? How about the third sound? Can you point it as well? So how many sounds does this word has?
3.
What? 3. Very good. Now, the next one is short. Short. How many sounds do you think?
5.
Are you sure? No. This word has 4 sounds. The first sound is sh. Can you repeat after me? Sh. Then the next sound is o. O. Then the third sound is r. R. The last sound is t. T. So this word has 4 sounds. The first sound is sh. Second sound is o. Third is and the last one is t. Can you point the fourth sound. Fourth sound. The letter
T.
T. So the first sound again is sh. Can you repeat? Sh. The second sound is O. Third is, what is the sound of R? The last sound is
T.
Can you read this again?
Short.
Short. How many sounds?
4.
Okay. The next word we have, what is this?
Cake.
What?
Cake.
Cake. How many sounds does this cake? How many sounds does this word has?
3.
3. How do you think? The first sound is the sound of letter C. What is the sound of C? K. K. How about the sound of A? A. And then the last letter is silent, right? That's why this word has 3 sounds. Cake. Cake. How many sounds again?
3.
What?
3.
3. Very good. Then for the last word we have green. How many sounds do you think this word has?
2.
2. Let's see. The first sound we have is the sound from the letter G. What is the sound of G? G.
G.
G. Then we have the next sound of the letter R. Very good. About the sound of this. Does this have the different sound? Just one. The 2 E's is sound as E. The long I, right? How about the last sound? The sound of letter. So let's count how many sounds does this word has. G, which is the first sound. The second sound is the sound of The third sound is sound of these 2 E's, which is E. And then the last sound is from the letter N. So in. Green. How many sounds does this word has?
4.
4. Very good.